Exclusively speaking to NNIS, Congress spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi on Sunday observed that the Congress leadership needs to take hard lessons and implement hard policies while learning from latest debacle. Terming the BJP's allegation sensationalism, Singhvi clarified that Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi have accepted the responsibility for the party's rout in recently concluded Lok Sabha polls. He also recalled that the Congress has won 21 assembly elections besides losing some of them in the past.
Every party fights as a collectivity and every collectivity is led by a leader. I don't think you are remembering that we have won 21 assembly elections and we have lost some elections also. Tell me one case where Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi have not bitten the bullet. Tell me one case where they have avoided responsibility. Tell me one case where they haven't come out and said, I am the leader, I own responsibility. They did it again 2 days ago. So this is nothing but sensationalism. It is an oft-repeated question which is meaningless. We are all responsible and they have held themselves responsible as leaders of the all.
He also recalled that the Congress has won 21 assembly elections besides losing some of them in the past. The Congress leader noted that if the party draws lessons from the defeat, it can make slow and steady progress. He also hoped that it can be converted into an opportunity in the time to come.
Congress has seen equally bad times earlier. It is a very bad result. It is shocking. And if we draw the right lessons from it and we do slow, incremental, progressive but consistent reform, I can tell you it can be converted into an opportunity and a blessing in disguise. It can and can easily be overcome, but for that we need to take hard lessons and implement hard policies.
Singhvi said that Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have opposing views on the assembly election in Delhi. He also dubbed reporters' question asking AAP forming government in Delhi.
As of now, there is absolutely no such thing. As of now, I am not going to speculate. In fact, it's funny, in the Supreme Court, the BJP has been demanding in the case till a few weeks ago that there should be no early elections. And the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying the opposite, there should be early elections. Now both are saying exactly the opposite to what each of them said in the Supreme Court a few weeks ago.
On BJP and its Prime Ministerial nominee Narendra Modi's victory, the Congress leader said that the former deserves absolute congratulations for this triumph.
I don't want to detract from Mr. Modi's great victory. He deserves absolute total congratulations. This is his hour of victory, and the width and depth of Indian democracy requires that I do not sound churlish, I do not sound bitter in this hour of victory. But remember one thing, electoral victories do not wash away criminal law sins or other sins. Certain things have happened in the past which require separate treatment. I'm not going to talk about them today because this is our victory.
Powered by NNIS.